Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make the color splash effect using Photoshop. I mean to make this photo in that way. Let's go. Select your photo. Duplicate it by press Ctrl J. Go to Image menu, Black and White, and press OK. Then go to Mask icon and press to make a mask for the first layer. Select Brush tool, and make sure that the black color is above. To toggle between them, press X from keyboard. And start to remove the first layer in any point as you want. Toggle between black and white by pressing X, to add or remove the effect according to your design. That's it, you made it now. This was the tutorial for today, and wait for more. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next video.